my name is Steven, and this is video 4 in my series Introduction to CodeIgniter. What I'll be teaching you in this video is views in the Model View controller. So let's get started right away. First thing we're going to do is we will create a new view. You can see here pre-built into CodeIgniter, the one that comes with it is the welcome underscore message view. Well, why don't we open that up and take a look. If you notice here, this is just it's a very simple HTML document. I'm going to clean this up because I don't know. I don't like the styling, we kind of want to make it our own, so why don't we delete everything? I'll put that title back there. Yeah, okay. We'll call this welcome. Yeah, welcome to CodeIgniter. Sure, that looks pretty good. We'll save this, and then I'm just going to rename this instead of creating a brand new view. We'll rename it index. No, I guess we can't call it that. We'll call it home. Yeah, home. Okay, now we'll go into our controllers, and you'll notice here. Right, so from our controllers, all we need to do is create a function in one of these controllers that will load that view. This is done really easily. All we have to do is we'll create a new function called home inside of our site controller. We'll just use this function hello or whatever. All we have to do to load a view is we go this, load, view, parentheses, quotations, and then we go home. Actually, I'm going to call it view underscore home. I'm going to go back and rename this view as well. This is just something I like to do, is naming my views consistently. If it's a view, I go view underscore home. That way I know just by looking at the file what it is. Okay, so this should work right away. If we call the home function right here, instead of add stuff, we'll just change the index. So right away when this controller is called, it's going to run the index function, and after echoing out hi internet break, actually we can get rid of this. We'll just load the home page. Save that, and then we will refresh this page. There we go. If we go to page source, we can see here, this is the exact same as the view that's actually being loaded here in view underscore home. This is the exact same thing. Okay, excellent. The next thing I want to show you is how do you pass some values into this view. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a new array called data. I'm just going to equal to, that's just how I set up some of my arrays. All I'm going to do in here is create an object in this array. We'll call it title. And this is going to be called, the title will be welcome. Just like that. Now the next thing we're going to do is when we load this view, we're going to not only tell it which view to load, but we're going to pass it along some data as well. And in this case, we'll be passing along the data array. So the way this works is when you pass an array into a view, all the objects in the array become variables in the view. So I can go ahead and save this and go right into my view underscore home view. And then all I have to do is in the head tag, I'm going to open up some PHP tags. And I'm just going to echo out title. And then if I save this, go into this, right here, and then refresh the page, you'll notice the title of this tab now is welcome ! So that data has successfully been passed into the view. That's all I'm going to show you in this video. Next video, I'll be showing you how to take some data from the models and pass that into a view as well.